training an AI agent on a custom flow. First, go to app.botsify.com and log into your account. Once logged in, create a new Agentic Agent. Now, you can start typing your custom agent flow. For this example, we'll use the following prompt. Create an AI agent that helps manage a resort, like room availability, booking info, amenities, and contact details. After entering the prompt, Agent will begin to generate a conversation flow automatically. On the right side of the screen, click on the three dots and select AI Prompt to open the prompt editor. As you make changes and updates, this prompt will dynamically update to reflect your inputs. Next, let's add some images under the room availability section. After uploading, check the AI prompt again. You'll see that the images are automatically added as URLs within the prompt. Now click on Test Agent and then click Start Conversation. You'll see a start message with several options. Click on Room Availability. The agent will display available rooms. Next, click Check Availability. You'll be prompted to choose the type of room you're interested in. After that, go to the agent panel to update your email. Just type your email, and the agent will update it in the contact details. Go back to Test Agent and click Back to Main Menu. From the menu, select Contact Details. You'll now see your updated email displayed by the agent. That's it. Thanks for watching.